You look like a middle school skater right now. What is wrong with you?
Prepare for the snow. Woo! What is that?
That's a 2008 987.1 Luna! 987.1 Cayman S with 296 horsepower and 2,980 pounds of curb weight. With a 6-speed manual transmission. With a yellow interior. And new Michelin tires.
What year is it?
2008 with 41,200 miles. Honestly, we don't care about this car anymore because you drive Caymans now.
What's up?
You drive Caymans now.
Right now.
Yeah. Are you a Porsche guy now?
Yeah.
Which means nothing is as good as Porsches.
Yeah,
I really like it.
This car's for sale.
I really like it. I know I was kind of like an advocate against it because I think that the STI and the Evo, the wings for it that are stock, are like really nice on them. But this looks good. You did well, kiddo.
When are you getting one?
Yeah. I don't know about that.
Matthew, you get an NSX and I'll get a Supra. Okay?
Okay. I know of a red one in NorCal.
Oh! I know of a red one in NorCal that didn't make it down to SoCal. Woo! Yeah!
Shit.
Well, what's done to it?
I'm gonna run a 130 at streets.
What's
Watch.
done to it? Come on, give us the build breakdown.
All kinds of suspension.
Yeah, wait, you actually did stuff like yesterday. Did you finish? Hey. Excuse me. Hey, can you not go in our lane?
I'll see your name on it. What?
That kid broke his neck looking at your Integra. How much horsepower does it have? You need more stickers!
This GT2 RS is gonna try and cut in.
Yo, what's your lap time? 130, bro! You won't! Streets of Willow clockwise! I heard this runs a 10-second quarter mile.
You guys are bullies, you know?
How many turbonators? Do you race? Hi.
Wow.
Whoa, fuck. Okay, but who has the bigger wing? That's all that fucking matters right now. We need to go measure. If we pull up next to him, mine's bigger.
It was really high. I didn't see it. Those guys did that.
Alright, we're gonna go up. We're almost there at the spot, and I see an Evo right there with the huge wang. Why is that huge wang there? Stop focusing on there.
So the Tesla has like 110 miles left of range. He has to get back home, and we're like 8 to 12 miles from the spot, we think. However, batteries generally operate more poorly in cold weather. They die faster, whereas in hot weather they perform a lot better. We don't really know if that's an issue with Teslas, but we can't have that car die up here. He has to get back home. Well, I don't even know if we've seen like another Tesla up here. So,
well, the good thing is that even though it is using battery to get up, it will recharge or not use much battery at all to get down because we are going downhill.
yeah.
So we should be fine.
Yeah. So I mean, I was wondering if like uphill he would be using more power than if he's going downhill. But I was wondering if like the computers are smart enough to know that going downhill, like the miles will last longer, if that makes sense, just because he's going downhill. Or maybe it already knows.
Well, it will. Not only that, but I might think that he might gain some miles going downhill because of the regeneration. So I think we should be all right.
Yeah, I don't know where. So Sheldon's actually from San Francisco. He's not driving there, but so I don't know where he's staying.
I think he said downtown.
Okay. Yeah. Oh no. We'll see. He just pressed the red button.
But look at this. Look at all the snow. How awesome it is. With all the greenery and the snow.
The greenery.
Yeah, it is greenery.
The greenery, the scenery.
No, greenery, like the green scenery.
Is that a word?
Greenery. I think it is. Well, if it isn't, I'll coin the word for myself. And how's the driving conditions? Does it feel slippery or what?
Feels good. I need to find a snowman to run over, or some parking lot full of snow just to do Jeep things in.
Just Jeep things.
Yes.